This video demonstrates how to make smart shortcuts for Fast Video Cataloger. The basic idea is that commands with arguments can be passed to the program at startup or while it is running. You find documentation on this in the Document tab under the headline. How to use command line arguments. This makes video workflow integrations possible without programming. Let's start easy and create a shortcut that we can edit. Enter the Windows Start menu and right-click Fast Video Cataloger. Select More and open File Location. Right-click, select Send to, choose Desktop. Now you have a shortcut on your desktop. Right-click and choose Properties to edit. Simply add the arguments to be passed to Fast Video Cataloger, last in the target field. Start with a space and then add your command. For example, play playlist TED. To let Fast Video Cataloger know it should try and play a playlist named TED. This video is an easy introduction to creating smart shortcuts in Fast Video Cataloger. Download the free trial from videocataloger.com.